Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have completed the setting feature and now we are going to implement the email feature, get in touch. So the requirement is that whenever someone will fill this form and click on send message, it will save within the database and represented here. So here is the name, email, number, message, 4 fields, and 1 is for the time field. So we have 5 fields to save these message information, and it will be represented here in a page for the messages. So when I will fill this information and click send, the message will be represented here within a page. So we are going to menu links and add a page. I create menu link, title is messages, URL is right now this, and we can use this one as the icon, color is white, and create menu and refresh. So the messages is represented here. Now we need to create a page for messages. For that we need to stop this. Even that we can create a new controller for messages. Create a new one, add here, and click on controller, empty one, messages, and click create. Okay, and here we have the index page. Okay, so execute the application and change the reference of the page by like this. So now we have messages dot index. So this is the path which we need to implement. Add it and save. So now it is saved, and that's it. Okay, now we need to create a table for messages and a store procedure to implement these data bindings, like to save these messages from here and to represent messages within this page. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.